Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2024 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.